morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ivan Mikic, and I'm very pleased to be here today in front of Microblink. Today, I would like to share the story about the Microblink, but also about our products that are changing data entry experience for more than 100 million users on a daily basis. So, first, a few words about the Microblink. The company is founded in 2013, located in Zagreb, Croatia. We also have an office in UK. It's completely privately owned and self-funded. Back at the time when we started off, the company counted 6 employees. Today we count 94 employees and basically continuously hiring. Just a few days ago, we received an award, Top 500 Fastest Growing Companies, according to Deloitte, in the Europe, Middle East, and Africa region, with an average growth of 702%. But what is that exactly that we do that makes our product so special? So Microblink is a data-driven research and development company in the field of computer vision and machine learning. So we are developing our own proprietary OCR engine that runs locally on the mobile device. So the ultimate goal of our products is to eliminate manual data entry within the mobile or the web apps, and while at the same time providing the superb user experience. We are basically a B2B company, working with other companies who are offering our solutions to the end customers. Currently, we work with over 400 clients globally. Our products are used in more than 30 different types of the use cases, and it really has the reach to more than 100 million users on a daily basis. The first product that we developed, currently we have 6 different products, but today I will talk only about a few of them that are relevant for the industry. The first product that we developed is called PhotoPay. The PhotoPay is a product that is used for scanning the standardized invoices, such as utility bills. On this video, you can basically see, in just within the seconds, we can instantly grab all the payment data from the utility bill, auto-populate all the fields within your mobile banking app, and basically enable payment processing just within the seconds. Currently, we have a support for more than 13 countries, 13 European countries, standardized invoices, but we also have a solution for the unstructured, non-standardized invoices. We have so-called segment scanning feature where you can scan only the specific segments from each invoice. Some of the banks who actually integrated this solution at the very beginning when we started off in 2013 actually witnessed significant increase in the number of the mobile banking users. Back at the time, mobile banking apps are pretty much used only for checking the balance, maybe doing some simple transactions. With our solution, PhotoPay, we enable their users not to have to go in the post office, kiosks, banks to pay the receipts. They can basically process the payments just within the seconds. Here you can see some of the banks that we currently work at, but basically we are working with over 60 European banks as of today. Another product that we're really proud of is called the BlinkReceipt. BlinkReceipt is a product used for scanning the retail receipts. Basically, within the seconds, we can extract all the data from the retail receipts, basically product names, item numbers. It's all extracted on the SKU level, stock keeping unit level. The product also has the business intelligence piece inside of it. As you can see in the video, not only that it extracts all the data, amounts, total, merchant name, it also basically tells you the brand name, category name, and also shows you even the very nice image of a specific article that is being extracted. This product is today widely used in the United States in the cashback industry and loyalty programs, but also has a great potential as a personal finance management tool use cases, or maybe for the banks if you want to know what are your customers spending their money on. Maybe if you see that your customers are spending the money buying diapers, kid toys, this might be a good person to offer a loan to. With this product, we won 2 Best of Show awards at Finovate San Jose and Finovate London. The latest product that we developed is called BlinkCard. BlinkCard is a product used for scanning the payment cards, such as credit and debit cards. Very often, this product is used for setting up your online payment accounts, processing your online payments, or basically activating your credit card. But the product that I would like to speak the most about today is called the BlinkID. This is by far our most popular product, used by the largest number of our clients. A little later on, I will do the live demo of this product, so you'll be able to see it live in the action. With the BlinkID product, basically we can extract the data, as you can imagine, from the identity documents, driving licenses, passports. We currently have a support for scanning more than 200 different types of the ID documents, but our ultimate goal is to cover all possible global ID documents. And later on, I will explain you how we think that this is going to be possible. As you can see, we can crop the face image, we can crop the front and the back side of a document, even the signature part, and it's all done within the seconds locally on the mobile device. So a little bit more about the technology. It is an invisible technology, and I like to add with a very visible impact. So our products are delivered as a white label library, which is easily built into mobile or the web app. It's basically built within the 1 to 5 business days. It's 50 lines of code. We provide with technical assistance during the integration if needed. And the part that we are really proud of, we like to offer our technology completely free of charge for testing and development purposes. So only after our clients are completely satisfied during the testing and development phase, then we can sit down and basically discuss the commercial side of using our products. Another key features of our products is related to the security. I'm sure that we all today can hear a lot about the data security and issues with handling sensitive private information of the end customers. We at Microblink have been thinking about that from the very beginnings. So the SDKs that are built into mobile apps are running completely locally on device. No data is sent to any third-party service for the data processing. So it stays on the mobile device until transferred into the integrator's core. So basically it provides with an option to our clients to completely handle the data and decide where and how they want to store and extract the data. Back at the time when we were starting off with our products development, everything was manually decided and hard-coded. All the rules have to be manually defined by our software engineers. We used so-called templating-based principle. It was really crucial to define the aspect ratio of a certain document, define the exact position of the relevant data to be extracted, and then initiate scanning process. I'm sure that you can all now think there's a lot of coding, a lot of maintenance to this process. Exactly. So instead, we decided to switch completely to machine learning, utilizing all the benefits of the AI technology, and basically thus avoiding all the constant manual revision of the code, which actually places the data in the center of our development process. So today, we completely transformed, and the process pretty much looks like this. The center of the process is the data. So we gather, we analyze, we process the data, which is used in machine learning process and training the neural networks, which is all packed into a product and delivered to our clients. Now I'm going to tell you one example where we really saw the great benefit of this technology, of machine learning. So imagine, for example, US driving license, which is a very specific document. There are 50 states in the United States. Each state has its own countries which can issue their own version of the driving license. So, and each driving license can also differ by version in terms of the year. They can have different versions by the year. So we are easily talking about 200 different types of the US driving licenses. Using the old approach and the templating-based principles, it would take us up to 6 years to develop a support for reading the US driving license front side. Our clients will not be able to wait for that long. With the machine learning process, we were able to cut down this process and actually came out with the support for the US driving license within the 4 months. Apart from major improvement in scalability, in adding in support for the new documents and maintaining the existing libraries, we have actually gained significant development efforts to work on the UX when using our products. And this is really what makes us different. Now, I would like to show you the live demo of the BlinkID product in action. All right, it's there. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to scan the ID card, front and the back side. So as you were able to see, I was scanning the front side and then the back side, which means that we can basically extract all the data from the front side, data on the back side, and data encoded in machine-readable zone. Those are those 3 lines at the bottom of a document. And here you can see all the data extracted with the cropped face image, cropped both sides of a document. Another really cool feature that we're proud of within our BlinkID product is the card detector, very robust card detector. So basically, I can scan the ID card in multiple directions. What it will do, it will again scan all the data from the identity document, dewarp, deskew the image, and provide you with very nice, flat, to high-quality images of a document, front and back side, and a cropped face image. We can do it really in multiple directions. We can do it upside down. What it will do, it will still return exactly the same images back. So maybe if you notice, I didn't have to pre-select the type of a document, country, and then initiate the scanning process. So we are doing a thinking for you. Documents are automatically recognized and the scanning process is initiating, which is particularly great if you have a use case which requires scanning multiple ID documents. For example, we have a client in Malaysia which has 5 different types of the ID documents. One is used for police officers, another for military, third for the students. So if you have people lined up waiting to get registered, this is a very convenient tool for them. Another thing that I'd like to show you, for example, I'll try to scan the back side of the document that is currently not supported. So our SDK will recognize that the document is currently not supported, and basically will guide us to return to the front side, which is supported, and basically the extracted data will be right there within the seconds. Also, another feature that I would like to show, for example, this is the US driving license, where we can scan the data on the front. We can also extract the data from the barcode on the back, and we can compare the data to make sure whether the data matches. Because the same data that is found on the side, on the front side, some of the data that is found on the front side is also encoded in the barcode on the back. So our product makes sure that the data, the same data that's on the front side, matches the same data which is encoded in the barcode. And now what I will do, I will scan another US driving license. I will scan the front side of one US driving license, and then I will try to scan the back side of different US driving license. The product will recognize that the size do not match. So the data on the front side from one US driving license does not match with the barcode from the back, which is very convenient, if you want to make sure that the ID is authentic, that the data matches. The BlinkID product is very often used in use cases such as remote customer onboarding, identity verification, form filling, but basically very often we work with major global identity verification companies. They use us as the first step for the data extraction piece from the identity type of the documents. And basically with this, we came to end of my presentation. I hope you liked it. I hope that you already might see our products fit in your business use cases. I certainly invite you to come visit our booth. We're just across from there, booth number 611. We'll be more than pleased to show you more live demos of our other products and engage in a further discussion. Thank you very, very much for your time, and have a great rest of the conference.